Welcome to my channel SwiftLearn. This tutorial is how to embed YouTube video in HTML using YouTube link. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. First of all, create an HTML page. Right click, new text document, name the document, HTML page document, embed YouTube video in HTML. Change the extension .html. Yes, it's done. Now my HTML file is created. Right click, open with Notepad. You can open it with Atom Software or Notepad++ or any other application. So start HTML. This is the default for HTML file, and head, close the head tag. Now in the head tag, add a title of this page. Title is Embed YouTube video in HTML. Okay, close the title tag. Yes, now it's done. After the head tag, add a body tag. Body, and close the body tag. In the body tag, add a embed tag. Embed, close the embed tag. In the start tag, just add in style. Style for selecting width and height of the embedded portion. Okay, style width 720 pixel and height is 450 pixel. It's enough. Okay, now source. This is the source of YouTube video. Source is to take the source, I'll go to the YouTube, run browser, go to the YouTube and search the YouTube video what you would like to embed. I'm just searching a video for about add background image in div tag. Okay, yes, this video is displaying. I'll just click yes. This is the watching link. I just copy this video link. Yes, copy and paste it in your page. Yes, now this is watch mode. Make this link as embed mode. Just remove this watch b and add a slash. In the slash, just write embed. Now let's check the link in browser. To check it, just copy this embed link and paste it in the browser. Yes, paste, enter. Yes, it's working. Now I can understand that this embed link is working well in the browser, so it will must work in my web page. Close the browser and run this page in the browser. Yes, now it's displaying perfectly. Noted that you can embed those YouTube videos which are allowed to embed by the creator. If creator don't allow to embed, then you cannot use this video as embed.